And as you continue to draw the energy into your body, call on the angelic force. I am Michael, burning bright, bringing the sword of truth and light. The angelic realm rejoices. More of you are awakening every day and turning away from the chaos, turning away from your news programs, turning away from your televisions, turning away from the noise of the world and opening your inner ear to the vibration of the great harmonic. We are Michael, the archangels. The heavenly choir is vibrating all around you. You can hear the music of joy. You can bring the joy into your own being and your own hearts and your own lives. You can bring the joy into your world. Sometimes this seems puzzling. Remember, you are in a dual world. The angelic beings are not dual in nature. We do not live in a dual world. We live in a world, a vibration that you might call nirvana or heaven. We live in a world of light. We are helping bring that light into your world, and you are helping make the space for us to bring that light into the world. You are that light coming into the world. As you accept your divine natures and your divinity, as you marvel about this and wonder about this, then you open spaces in the world of light to come through, of light and joy to come through. The angelic realm is very near the earth now, and we will be seen. You will begin to hear more about angels again. I spoke to you back in the early 90s, in the 1990s, about the angelic realm coming into the material. And so all around there were images of angels, angel books, angel cards, angel this, angel that. Now there will be visitations. You will hear more about the angels visiting people. You will see more stories. The angels will often come in different forms, and people will recognize that and speak about angels that come to them in their consciousness, angels that appear in forms of good Samaritans or animals, angels that are all around. The angelic force is materializing into this plane. The angelic force is coming forward. The angelic force is coming forward in the form of light beings. Expect the angels in unexpected places. I am Michael. I am Michael, burning bright, bringing the sword of truth and light. I am Michael, burning bright, bringing the sword of truth and light. Truth and light. We have often said that the truth will set you free. You are understanding more within your cellular structure about the truth, about your inner truth and inner knowing. Not always the same truth as someone else's, not always the same truth that you have been told is the truth, but the truth of your own inner vibration. The more love and the more vibration of love that you bring into the earth and into your own being, the greater the truth will set you free. The more you will feel your own truth guiding you and vibrating through your being. I am Michael, burning bright, bringing the sword of truth and light. Always I give you that sword to wield today, tonight, and every night. I am Michael, burning bright. Holding the palms up, making sure that the palms come up near the throat chakra and the ears, that part of the body. So holding the palms up so they're near the throat level, from like the throat to the sort of ear level of the body and that part of the body. Draw the breath into the body. Michael, Michael, burning bright, bring the sword of truth and light. Begin to chant that for yourself. Michael, Michael, burning bright, bring the sword of truth and light. Michael, Michael, burning bright, bring the sword of truth and light. Michael, Michael, burning bright, bring the sword of truth and light. As you ask for me to bring the sword into your dark night, to bring the sword into your awareness, as you ask this of me, be clear and ask for where you need the sword of truth and light. Do you need to cut old ties to a part of the self that is no longer necessary? Do you need to cut ties to old relationships that are no longer necessary? Do you need to cut ties to your fears? Do you need to release those fears into the garden, into the light? Do you need to cut ties with old belief systems that are holding you back? Do you need to cut ties that keep you from your awareness? Think about this for a moment as you continue to chant and call on me, Michael, Michael, burning bright. Bring the sword of truth and light. Michael, Michael, burning bright. Bring the sword of truth and light. You can feel the vibration running through your fingertips and hands as you call on me, because I am with you. As is the angelic host in the angelic realm, I am Michael, burning bright, bringing the sword of truth and light. Call on me, ask for what you need to be set free of, and then begin to tone. Make sure you put your words out and then begin to tone. You may tone 9 times. Oh.